In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a trial balance report in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to locate the report, set the right period, and export or print it for your records or for your accountant. The trial balance is a foundational accounting report that lists each account's ending balance and shows total debits equaling total credits for a specific date range. It's commonly used for month-end and year-end reviews, and it's a great way to spot posting errors before you finalize your financials. Start by signing into your QuickBooks Online account using your usual login. Make sure you're in the correct company file if you manage more than one. Once you're in, look to the left-hand navigation panel and select Reports. This is your hub for all standard and custom reports in QuickBooks Online. At the top of the Reports page, use the search bar and type Trial Balance. As you type, QuickBooks will suggest matches. Select the trial balance report from the results to open it. When the report loads, you'll see a list of accounts with their debit or credit balances and totals at the bottom. If the debits and credits don't balance, that's a sign to double-check your entries or the report period. Next, set the correct date range. Use the report period dropdown to choose a preset like this month, last month, this quarter, or this fiscal year, or manually enter a custom from and to date. Pick the exact cutoff date you want to review. For example, the last day of the month if you're doing month end. The trial balance reflects balances as of the end date you select, so choosing the right period is important for accurate reconciliation and reporting. After setting the date, review the numbers on screen. Confirm that the totals balance and that the accounts you expect to see have reasonable balances. If something looks off, the most common fix is adjusting the date range to match the period you intended. When you're ready to share or archive the report, you can export or print it. Use the export option to download the report to Excel or PDF if you want to format or email it. If you prefer a hard copy, choose the print option and confirm your printing settings. Save exported files to a secure location so you can refer back to the same version later. That's all there is to it. You've logged in, opened the report center, found the trial balance, set the right dates, and viewed, exported, or printed the report with confidence.